Welcome back. In the previous segment, we have seen how beneficial it is to install solar plants. Returns are amazing, and the plants offer independence from increasing electricity tariff also. Investment in solar plants is truly a great investment. Whenever we talk about an investment, there comes a role of financial models also. In this particular segment, we will look at what kind of financial models are prevailing in the solar industry. Let's begin. In the solar industry, three kinds of models are available. First model is called the capex model. Second model is called the bank finance model. Third model is called the OPEX model. It is also called RESCO model. Now let us see what is a capex model. Under the capex model, the investment is made by the consumer. The consumer selects a solar installer and installs the solar power plant. Consumer use solar energy and gets the benefit of reduction in the electricity bills. Ownership of the solar plant is with the consumer only. Now let us see what is self-finance model. This model is similar to the capex model with only one exception. In this case, the consumer don't have the self capital and he takes a loan from the bank. The ownership of the plant remains with the consumer in the same way as it was with capex model. The third model, OPEX model, which is also called RESCO model, is different from capex model. Under this model, investment is not made by the consumer. The necessary capital investment is made by an investor. Investor gets the installation done at the premises of the consumer. The consumer uses the solar energy and pays a monthly bill to the investor or the RESCO company. Now a question arises. What is the benefit in OPEX model? Under the OPEX model, consumer and investor agree upon a power purchase agreement in which the tariff of solar energy is mentioned along with some other terms and conditions. Generally, the tariff of electricity is 4 to 5 rupees, which is much lesser than the prevailing electricity tariff of 8 to 10 rupees. Or we can say the solar energy tariff is almost half of the electricity tariff. This enables the consumer to use solar energy. We reviewed the three finance models in the solar industry. In the next segment, we will see a comparative between them. I hope this segment brought clarity for the finance models. Thank you so much for watching this. I look forward to see you in the next segment.